Okay, this is the follow-up video from the 3D printed face mask from the other day. This is the mask that I printed, the original mask. It has a channel here for the cellophane protection to fit in, and it takes forever to try and get a piece into it. Also, it doesn't really hold very well. And lastly, so this theoretically, I got one to get that picture the other day, but now that I'm trying to do it for real, it takes a little bit to feed it in and wrap it around and get it to fit in. The other thing about this design, which granted, it did work, and it was free right from Thingiverse, but the way that this is held together, I guess I could put a band from here to here. That would make it a little bit stronger, a little bit tighter, but for the most part, it was just being held on with the ears. And if you move around a lot, you might actually have that fall off. This is the design that we evolved from. From this, the next day or a day or two later, an local organization got in contact with me to see if I would make some shields for their organization. So I went and found a 3D printed face shield that is a little bit more professional. So this is from the same company that produced our 3D printers. This is the Prusa Face Shield. This is the US version. They have a European version that has 4 pins up here. This version has, if you can see them, has these 3 posts. And these 3 posts allow you to take anything that you could put into a 3-hole hole punch. So I took a 3-hole hole punch and I punched 3 holes in this piece of clear, almost like cellophane. Okay, and this goes on much easier. So within seconds you have a shield on there. Okay, and this face shield doesn't have any other extra parts except for a band to go across from here to here. Some of the face masks I've seen, you need hardware or you need some padding or double-sided tape to hold the shield on. This one is held on with the 3 holes, and it also has a second piece that's printed right along with the headband. This is called the chin, and this snaps onto the bottom. So I have a different hole punch set up for 3 holes that this chin piece calls for, but it just kind of snaps right in there. Off a little bit here. There we go. Snaps right in there, and now it gives a little bit more shape, a little bit more of the rounded shape that a face shield would typically have. Okay, and then the headband, so instead of this just laying on your ears like this design did as far as being held on, this was like kind of held on with gravity. This one is held on with a headband. So you have this headband, you can use rubber band, but they also have elastic band that you can use in like sewing applications. Okay, but when you have this on, you have room. You still have room for your safety glasses or for a mask or whatever you want to wear. But this is a little bit more heavy duty. It will withstand moving around, and you can easily change out these sheets. And because we can use the 3-hole hole punch, that allows me now to use the overhead projection film that is by the box full around the school. So I hope you enjoy the update. I'm going to be 3D printing these so that some different organizations in the community will be able to utilize them. Thank you for watching.